Now, got another mix here that we're gonna do for y'all. This one is called hog mix number something or other, but this one is called hog mix. Well, I'm trying to think of how to word it. It's a Sunday hog mix. Yeah, chocolate syrup, caramel. Can't forget about the little cherry on top. That's gonna be our mix for today. New little mix. Going heavy duty. Figured it ran dry. Got water all over the place, but there we go. This is Sunday hog mix. Sunday, as in fun day Sunday. Put corn in the bucket. Don't worry if you spill it. It's okay. It's okay. Little caramel. You don't need a whole lot. Like I said, this stuff will stretch. Now we're going with a little chocolate. For them chocolate loving hogs out there. You know, every hog loves chocolate. A little bit of chocolate, give it some flavor. Good old cherry on top. And for those hogs that have issues, a little bit of beer. Is that the Bohemian Hunting Club? We do care. Find you a stick. Make sure it's not a snake. Oh, wow. Damn, you know what that smells like? Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh, man. This smells like a Tootsie Pop. Changing the name. This is not a sundae. This is a Tootsie Pop corn mix. Damn, that smells like a Tootsie Pop. How many licks will it take to get to the center? 1, 2, 3. Got the camera. Hopefully it's got some batteries going on in it. Here we go. There we are. Tootsie Pop. Damn, that smells just like a Tootsie Pop. Look, just for y'all that don't believe me, take a whiff. Tootsie Pop.